Okay, that last card, I'm sorry about that. It was a John Wetland. Yankee Stadium Club. Last pack. Then I'm going to move on to the Topps Chrome. We got Josh Beckett, Jake Peavy, Tom Glavine. A red base card of Vernon Wells. Low numbered. 5 out of 149. A dummy. Piece of history. Ryan Hannigan rookie. Piece of history. And another Yankee Stadium Clubs. John Wetland. I've said that name a lot. Anyway, wondering what the hits were? Troy Patton. Auto rookie. Horrible signature. A piece of Hollywood pants. Denzel Washington. That'll be auctioned off. Jonathan Papelbon. Not numbered stadium scenes. Jeff Francoeur, 41 out of 75. And the hit of the box, a Matt Holliday jersey auto, 10 out of 25. Not bad. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the Topps Chrome. There should be 2 autographs in the Topps Chrome. Okay. There we go. Okay, first pack. Here we go. Grzelcyk, Rich Hill. Oh, man. Huh. First pack yields a Tahito Iguchi Heritage card. 962 out of 1959. And then there's Hideki Kuroda rookie. I'm going to try to go through this one a little faster. We got a Java, Reyes, Brandon Webb trading card history. Zimmerman. Curtis Granderson, Mickey Mantle, home run 470. Hey, here we go. Evan Longoria, rookie card, refractor. Randy Johnson. Mark Teixeira, Armando Galarraga. Topps Chrome rookie auto. Kurt Schilling, refractor, and an Alex Romero base. An Alex Romero rookie. Carlos Lee, Orlando Hudson. Oh, never seen this. Oh, that's pretty cool. 1991 trade card history. Carlos Beltran. An A-Rod. Delvin Young, Mickey Mantle, Story. Randar Beard, refractor rookie. Francisco Laureano. Okay, Ichiro, Mickey Mantle, 475, Prince Fielder, refractor, Brett Myers. Mickey Mantle. Matt Holliday. Ooh, trading card history, Matt Holliday. Victor Martinez. Congratulations to the person that picked up the Longoria card. Nick Marcus, Joe Blanton. Chipper Jones, 50th anniversary team. Harvey Garcia, rookie. Roy Halladay, Felix Hernandez, Brian McCann, 73 out of 599. Matt Tupman. He's a Royal rookie. Next we have Carlos Pena, Edson Valquez, Johnny Gomes, refractor, Randy Wells. Next we have Roy Oswalt, Josh Beckett, Jake Peavy, trading card history, Elliott Johnson, rookie. Elliott Johnson plays for the Rays. Next one we have Ricky Weeks, Tom Grossolani, 243 out of 599. Rocco Baldelli, refractor, Cleek Thomas, rookie. Guys, I want y'all to check out my Donruss threads, 2-box Donruss thread, and 1-box XPX break 2. We got Aaron Hill, Noah Lowry, Mike Piazza, trading card history. 50th anniversary rookie team, and Scott Rowland. Next we have Justin Verlander, Adam Jones, another one of these. Ooh, look at that. Ted Lilly, go Cubs. 713 out of 1959. Chen Min-won. Hopefully I can get through this box quick before I have to start another. I'm going to have to do another one for the next box. Brad Penny. Oh, this is a pretty big hit. Well, beginning of the year it was. Chen Ling Hu. Topps Chrome Auto. Rookie. Hideki Matsui, Todd Helton. Now I can go through these next packs fast because we got the 2 autographs. Eric Chavez, Frank Thomas, Hanley Ramirez, trading card history, Carlos Ruiz, Billy Butler, Brad Hawk, go Tigers, Kaigawa, out of 1959, AJ Burnett. Man. Derek Lee, Justin Morneau, Manny Ramirez, 50th anniversary team. Chase Utley, Casey Kochman, Troy Tulowitzki, trading card history, Dane Ugla. Oh no, man. Mike Cameron, Jared Saltalamacchia, Phil Hughes, refractor, Steve Holm, rookie. Yes, 2 more packs, guys, and we'll get to the last box. Dan Herron, Luis Castillo, Felix Hernandez, number to 599, David DeJesus. One more pack. Once again, check out my Donruss threads and SPS box break. Raul Ibanez, Mark Burley, Phil Hughes, number to 1959, Yunel Escobar. Last pack. Greg Maddux, Paul Konerko, Mickey Mantle, one of those Mickey Mantle histories, and Jim Thome. That's it for that one. Going to the last box.